In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change fonts on Squarespace 7.1. Whether you're new to Squarespace or just looking to freshen up your site's appearance, adjusting your fonts is a simple yet impactful way to enhance your website's overall look. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process together, ensuring every step is clear and easy to follow. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Squarespace account. Once you're logged in and on your Squarespace dashboard, your next step is to enter edit mode. You can easily do this by clicking on the edit button within your site editor. Now, look for the paintbrush icon, which is your gateway to the site styles panel. Clicking on that icon will open up a host of customization options for your site. Once you're in site styles, you'll want to focus on the fonts section. Simply click on fonts to begin exploring all the available options. Here you'll find an array of font packs, each offering pre-designed pairings for different text elements like headings and paragraphs. Selecting a font pack is an excellent way to maintain a cohesive look across your website while saving you the trouble of manually pairing fonts. After you've chosen a font pack, the next step involves clicking on Assign Styles. This action will present you with a comprehensive list of text types, including headings, paragraphs, and buttons. This is where you can really start to tailor the typography to fit your unique style preferences. When you see the list of text types, click on the specific text type you'd like to modify. For example, if you want to change the font for headings, just select Headings. A drop-down menu will appear, providing you with numerous styling options. This is your chance to get creative and play around with different fonts to see what fits best with your site's design. If at any point the available options from a selected font pack don't quite meet your needs, don't worry. You have the option to dive deeper into customization by selecting Custom. Here you can adjust the font family, weight, size, and line height of your chosen text type. Feel free to experiment until you find the perfect look. Once you're satisfied with the changes, the final step is to click Save. This crucial step ensures that all your tweaks and adjustments are applied to your site. And there you have it. Your website now boasts a fresh set of fonts, perfectly curated to match your brand's personality. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. And remember, with these simple steps, you can effortlessly change fonts and elevate the overall aesthetic of your Squarespace site. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.